Alright guys, so in this video, super quick tip on how to clean engine valves. Okay, so I'll throw up a picture of before, of how they look. You obviously can get a lot of carbon on it, on the exhaust valves, and on the intake valves you get like the sticky gooey mess from the gasoline hitting the valve and just kind of turning into sticky goo. So let's just go right into how to clean them up. Alright guys, so we're going to be using this wire wheel here to clean up all the valves. And what you want to do is work below this line. Okay, so work down here. Obviously when you're working here, you don't want to do something like this because it'll grab it. Okay, so you always want to work and get the wire wheel away from the surface. Okay, now this is a buffer that I used. I did a video how to polish aluminum. So basically I just found an attachment, a wire wheel, and this thing works great. I got it strapped down to my lift here. There's rubber cushions under here, so this guy's pretty solid. Now, definitely check out that video and check out this 1-horse buffer from Eastwood. This thing's really nice. I use it all the time. It's 1800 and 3600 RPM. I'm going to be doing it on low speed. I have it plugged in. And then also, you want to wear a face shield. Okay, not just eye protection, but if any one of these wires gets loose and hits you in the face, it's not going to feel good. So I like to wear this face shield. This thing was like 20 bucks and it's really nice. Okay, so I got my face shield on and let's do this. See how it grabs? So yeah, a wire wheel is the best way to clean valves.